Oh my God! Can you believe it? Recently, an astonishing infrastructure miracle occurred in India. The employer invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to hire the most renowned local engineering team to replace and repair a severely damaged railway track. Incredibly, this engineering team completed the entire repair project in just one day, and the railway quickly resumed operation. This truly is the pinnacle of infrastructure prowess, simply amazing. This damaged railway track was once a bottleneck on an important transportation line in India. Due to years of neglect and harsh weather conditions, the track's damage worsened, severely affecting train safety and transportation efficiency. To prevent further accidents and ensure smooth railway operations, the employer decided on emergency repairs. Thus, a substantial investment of hundreds of thousands of dollars was poured into this project, and the engineering team received ample resources and time support. Upon receiving the task, the engineering team immediately began detailed planning and preparation. They not only prepared all necessary materials and equipment in advance, but also devised a precise construction plan to ensure the task could be completed in a short time. Every member of the engineering team underwent rigorous training and had extensive repair experience. They efficiently collaborated on site, quickly dismantling the old track, installing the new track, and conducting necessary tests and adjustments. During this process, the team members faced complex technical challenges and had to complete each step efficiently within a limited time. Despite the immense pressure and challenges, this engineering team, with their excellent skills and outstanding execution, completed this daunting task in one day. The railway's restoration not only brought great convenience to local transportation, but also set a new benchmark for India's infrastructure level. This astonishing achievement undoubtedly proves India's strong capabilities in infrastructure construction and showcases the professionalism and efficiency of the local engineering team. The success of this project is not just a technical victory, but also a high affirmation of the skills and teamwork of Indian engineers. In summary, this rapid railway track repair project is undoubtedly a splendid debut in India's infrastructure field. What do you think?